Now, what are the tumors that are arising from the nerves? Two tumors, they can be kept as slides in the viva as well as MCQs and short notes. Neurofibroma and schwannoma. Both are actually benign tumors. So this is a schwannoma. Schwannoma, this is what is called as a Verroque body. Please remember, there are multiple, all these lines are all tumor cells, they are all elongated. And the blue ones are all the nuclei. They are arranged parallel to each other. This particular arrangement is called as nuclear palisading. This is a characteristic feature of a schwannoma. And this is the cytoplasm as such. And the entire structure having this palisaded nuclei is called the Verroque body. This is another histological one. There are two groups. So this area is supposed to be more cellular. It is called the antennae A area. And this is B area. See, hardly any cell looks like an edematous area with a few lymphocyte-like cells. That is called antennae B area. Palisading nuclei, Verroque bodies. Another feature not shown here is the hyalinized or thickened blood vessel. There are some variants of the schwannoma which can be cellular schwannoma, melanotic as a pigment, and malignancy. A spelling mistake is over here. Malignancy. Malignant peripheral nerve sheath tumor. MPNST. Malignant peripheral nerve sheath tumor. The markers are S100 protein. These are the differences between a schwannoma and a neurofibroma. The cellularity will be high, whereas it is low in a neurofibroma. Spindle cells, antennae A areas, antennae B areas. These are the markers. S100 is positive, CD34 is positive over here. Hyalinized blood vessels. As I told you, both are arising from the nerves. So this is the nerve. It has got a covering outside called the nerve sheath. This is a nerve bundle from which you get a tumor. It is called a neurofibroma. If it is arising from the outer covering of the sheath, the Schwann cells, it is called the schwannoma. This diagram you people can draw in your exams. The neurofibroma, it arises from the endoneurium, whereas the schwannoma arises from the sheath. Look at this one. It has got a very wavy appearance. Look at this classical, very slender cells. This is the nucleus. Always blue is the nucleus, pink is the cytoplasm. Elongated, slender filaments. Look at this region also. It has got a wavy appearance, courtesy web pathology. Slender spindle cells, wavy nuclei, myxoid stroma. This is called the stroma. This empty space. It is usually a benign tumor. There will be nodules. Rarely it can undergo a malignant change. Neurofibroma. Here, see, there are two forms. One is called the nodular. These are all multiple nodules I can see. Nodule means something hemispherical that is there on the skin. Plexiform means it is almost like elephantiasis. Like the elephant's hide, it is hanging. It is a plexiform. It usually occurs in the limb. It is hyperpigmented. So, there is also a condition called as neurofibromatosis type 1 and type 2. This one you people can memorize. It will be helpful for multiple endocrine neoplasia also. Neurofibromatosis 1. Autosomal dominant associated, otherwise called as von Reckling-Nossen's disease. NF1 gene mutations. Cafe au lait spots, as though coffee has spilt on the skin. Freckling of the skin. List nodules in the iris. Neurofibroma and osseous lesions or osteoma can be there. Hypertension. There can be a greater risk of malignancy. Neurofibroma 2 can be autosomal dominant NF2, and the other features can be schwannoma, meningioma can occur along with it. Cafe au lait spots, cutaneous tumors, and ocular contrast. This is a higher magnification of it. Look at this cafe au lait spot and then the nodules that are present. So these two I would like you people to memorize. Thank you.